In this video, I am going to show you how to set up labels and filters for your Gmail. The first thing you want to do is access your Gmail. So I'm going to click the Gmail button. I'm going to let it load. It could take a few seconds before your Gmail is ready to use. And then I'm going to click the settings cogwheel. I'm going to click see all settings. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create my labels. The first label I'm going to create is Google Classroom. Click create, and there it is. Then I'm going to create another one. This one I'll call Google Drive. And then I'm going to create one called Guidance. And I'll create one called Teachers. So you can see I have 4 labels here. Now I'm going to show you how to use filters to organize your email. The first one we're going to do is for Google Classroom. You want to create this filter because Google Classroom will send you a lot of emails. Those emails will fill up your inbox and make it impossible to find other emails. By creating this filter, you'll be able to store those in a special folder right here. So I typed in Google Classroom. I'm going to click Create Filter. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click Skip the Inbox. Next, I'm going to choose Apply the Label and choose Google Classroom. I'm going to choose Never Send It to Spam. And I will choose Also Apply Filter. Right now I have 0, but in a few weeks this number will go up. So after I'm finished, I'm going to click Create Filter. So there are no emails right now, so the filter is already up and running and it will filter all the emails. Next, I want to get all my Google Drive shares into this special label. I am not going to skip the inbox for this because I still want to see when I get those emails. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click Search Mail. I'm going to type Invitation to Collaborate. I'm going to click this down button. And I'm going to click Create Filter. I'm going to apply the label Google Drive. I'm also going to apply the filter to 3 matching conversations. Click Create Filter. And in just a moment, you will see that filter created. So here you see, you have a Google Drive filter. So what I can do is I can change the color, and I'm going to change it to a green color because that is what Google Drive typically is. It's a green application. Next, I see another Google Drive thing, but this one says something different. It says Invitation to Edit. So I'm going to type Invitation. I'm going to choose Invitation to Edit. I'm going to click the down button. I'm going to choose Create Filter. Same thing. I'm going to apply the label, Google Drive, Apply, and Create Filter. Again, it does take about 10 seconds to 20 seconds for the filter to be created. But once it's created, Gmail will suddenly refresh, and you will see the label applied. And here it is. Google Drive. So for Google Classroom, I'm going to change the color for that one to this orange one because Google Classroom typically is an orange color application. For Guidance, I'm going to give that a color of purple. And for Teachers, I will give that color blue. So now we want to create filters for teachers or for guidance. So I'll go back to filters. I'm going to create a new filter, and I'm going to choose for guidance. So I'm going to type chris.marinaro@meridenadulted.org. I'm going to create filter. I'm going to keep it in the inbox. I'm going to always mark it important. Never send to spam. Apply label guidance. And as always, apply filter to matching conversations. I'm going to create the filter. And in just a moment, you will see it refresh so that it has already applied the filter. Last, I'm going to show you how to create a filter for teachers. First, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to search Rachel.McMinn@meridenadulted.org. So, if I had emails from her, you would see it here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click the down arrow. I'm going to create a filter. So I'm going to keep it has the words. You could also do it from where it says from, but I like to have it in has the words. That way all emails, even ones I send to Rachel, are marked as teacher. So I'm going to create the filter. I'm going to apply the label teacher. I'm going to always mark it as important, never send it to spam, and apply it to matching conversations. And then click create filter, and then you're done.